Hi there, it's me, Tyler, with another review. This time of an HDMI cable. The new dymax 6-foot HDMI digital cable for TV, Xbox 360, PS3, Blu-ray, DX-AV002, and this only cost me $2.19. Now, it's not the best, but have a look for yourself. Now, this is Darksiders 2. I love this game. Top 20 best video games of all time. But that's just what I say. Now, the graphics look pretty darn good. Better than some of the other HD cables that I've seen. But, anyways. This gets a 9.8. At the best. I mean, I've seen a few that were much better, but it doesn't get a 10. Still, for $2.19 off of eBay, I mean, this is pretty damn good graphics. Anyways, that's my review of it. The new HD cable. Here. I'll show you exactly what it looks like so you can know the picture. Anyways, that's my review. Have a nice day.